Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at question 152 on LeetCode called maximum product subarray. So we're given integers nums. We want to find the contiguous/continuous subarray within an array which has the largest product. So there is another question called maximum subarray which uses the same idea except with a sum. I would take a look at that first because I'll be using that template to build out this question because they have very similar ideas. Cool, so let's actually edit this first. To make it make more sense, we're going to call this product. It's still going to start the first value, product. But since we have negative numbers, we want to keep track of the lowest value first. Sorry, lowest value as well. Because the lowest value multiplied by another negative number could give the maximum product subarray. So we'll call this min equals num0 as well. And just to make this clear, let's just call this curmax. So curmax is still going to be the max between the number of times itself, curmax. And curmin is going to keep track of the lowest value. It's going to keep track of math.min between the number itself as well as the number multiplied by itself. And the end product is still going to keep track of the math.max between the maximum, which is curmax, and itself. So all of that stays the same, but we do need to think of one edge case, which is this. What if our value that we're passing by is less than 0? If the number is negative, then we have to consider that, once again, that number could be the lowest value inside the array, which when multiplied by another negative number can give a value greater than two positive numbers being multiplied. So in this case, we do have to update our maximum inside here by switching them basically. So we can say curmin max equals 10. So once again, the idea is if we pass by a negative number, there is a possibility that it can create a maximum product greater than two positive integers being multiplied together. Cool. So let's see if this works. Works just fine. Works just fine. The runtime is still all events since we're just going through every single element one by one inside the array. And that just about sums up this question. If you have any questions about this, I'll put a link to the question itself as well as my GitHub down below. And I'll see you guys next time.